Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce sound on iPhone. So you go to settings and then you go to sound and haptics and then you go to headphone safety under headphone audio and then you turn on reduce loud sounds. And then you see there you just move the toggle around and then so you see there it says so it gives you a image of how loud it's gonna be. So as loud as an ambulance, so the lowest is as loud as a vacuum, and then middle is as loud as heavy city traffic. So just adjust as you like, and then there it says learn more. You can press there and then so you can improve health and activity. And then here is your headphone audio levels. So I hope it's useful and thank you for watching.